Adolphus asks for Monica, based on your experience and insight, what are the industries that would be impacted adversely with the advent of AI?
I think it's industries where they were providing a service, like now you can get a personal assistant that's an AI assistant. So that could potentially replace a person who was doing that. You would go on these sites and hire an assistant. Now you have an AI assistant. So I think some of those type of roles, maybe one day you could have a AI that's giving you advice and be playing the role as a CIO. I don't even know. And I also see AI having some impact on like the pharmaceutical side. Um, Interesting, maybe not in a good way. How AI, infiltrates the pharmaceutical, the labs, the production of medications, all of that.